I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. I am Bhupen Kirplani, Faculty of Accountancy at SRN International School. Today we are going to discuss one of the most renowned career options of commerce stream, that is Chartered Accountancy course. Let's begin with today's discussion. Who or what is CA? CA stands for Chartered Accountant. It is a professional course usually done after 12th class along with the graduation. A CA is an expert in auditing, financial statement, and handling the taxation. Chartered accountant work in all the fields of business and finance, include auditing, taxation, financial and general management. Some are engaged in public practice work and others work in a private sector. Some are employed by the government organization. From where we can do CA? In India, the CA course can be persuaded through Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. They have many branches all over the country. Let's see the details of CA Foundation course. Its registration, eligibility, fees. Eligibility. After appearing in a senior secondary examination, that is 10 plus 2, conducted by an examining body constituted by the law of India. After completing 4 months study period from the date of registration in order to eligible to appear in the foundation exam. Student registered on or before 1st January or 1st July will be eligible to appear in May or November examination every year as the case may be. Now the fee structure. The cost of foundation prospectus is 200 and the foundation registration fees is 9,000. Other than this, you had an examination fees also, which will be there into the site when you appear for the exam. Let's see the syllabus of the foundation course. There are 4 papers and every paper is of 100 marks each. Principle and practice of accounting, business law and business communication and reporting, business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics, business economics and the commercial knowledge. So these are the 4 papers in the foundation syllabus. Let's see some of the CA foundation exam pattern. The name of the exam is CA foundation. Earlier it was considered as CPT. Now it is called as CA foundation. The conducting body is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The frequency is the examination is conducted twice a year in November, December or May or June. The duration of the question paper is first and second paper is of 3 hours and the third and fourth paper is of 2 hours. Question paper type. The paper number 1 and 2 always comes subjective and the paper 3 and 4 is objective. Marking scheme. There is no marking scheme, there is no negative marking scheme for the subjective paper 1 and 2. However, there is a negative marking for an objective paper, that is paper number 3 and 4. 1/4 marks will be deducted for every wrong answers for objective type questions. Medium of exam. It is Hindi and English both. Passing criteria. To pass CA foundation, a candidate need to minimum score 40% in each paper and 50% aggregate in all the 4 papers. Now here comes the CA intermediate course, its eligibility, registration, syllabus, all the details. Let's see them. Let's see the eligibility. Student after clearing CPT or a CA foundation course or he is a graduate becomes eligible to register for a CA intermediate. Graduate, postgraduate or a student having an equivalent degree can directly register for the CA intermediate exams without appearing for the entry level exams. After 6 months completion of your practical training, you can appear for the CA intermediate. So before appearing for an CA intermediate, you need to undergo a 6 months practical training. This is called an internship, articleship or internship, and you should have already registered for the articleship, which is to be conducted for 3 years. Then we have a fees detail. CA intermediate registration fees, both the groups is 15,000 and a single group is 11,000. Student activity fees. 2000 in 2000, whether you register for both the groups or single group. CA intermediate registration fees is 1000, and the total intermediate fees, including all these, both the groups as well as your student activity and registration, altogether it is 18 for both the groups and 13 for a single group. Now we have to see the modules. The intermediate course is divided in two parts, two modules, module 1 and module 2. Both the modules have 4 papers and every paper is of 100 marks each. The first module contains accounting, corporate and other laws, cost and management accounting, taxation. Module 2, advanced accounting, auditing and assurance, enterprise formation system and strategic management, financial management and economics for finance. So this comes into module 2. Let's see some of the CA intermediate examination paper pattern. The examination mode is always pen and paper. The type of questions, some are objectives and some are subjective. So you can say 1/4 of the paper might come objective and the 3/4 must come for the subjective. The duration of exam is 3 hours a day, 3 hours per paper. Medium can be English and Hindi. The number of papers altogether in intermediate is 8 divided into 2 modules. Number of the marks per paper is 100. Negative marking is not there. Then we have CA final. Let's talk about CA final. CA final is a final stage of CA course in India. After completing their 2.5 years of internship or articleship in CA final level, candidates then become eligible to appear for CA final exam. So candidate should be first clearing the intermediate course, as well as he should have at least done the internship or articleship of 2.5 years. Exams are held again in two times in a year, again in November and May. Students appear for final exams of CA after completing their 2.5 year internship is eligible for the CA exam. In the month of May and November, twice the exams are conducted. In 2 groups, CA final level is divided and it comprises of 8 papers. Let's see in details. First of all, we had a registration. If we talk about registration fees, the registration fees of CA final is 22,000. Then we have a CA final course eligibility. You should clear both the groups of intermediate, successfully undergone 4-week advanced integrated course of information technology and soft skills, consisting of course on advanced information technology and management communication skills during the last 2 years of a practical training, but before appearing in the final examination. The syllabus of CA final are, we have 8 papers, you can see it here. Financial reporting is there, paper 1, paper 2 is strategic financial management, paper 3 is advanced auditing and professional ethics, corporate and economics law, strategic cost management and performance evaluation. Paper 6 has 2 parts, risk management, and 4, I hope it is, paper 6 has 6 parts. One is risk management, another is in financial services and capital market, international taxation, economic laws, global financial reporting standard, multidisciplinary case studies. Paper 7 is direct tax laws and international taxation, and finally paper 8 is indirect taxes law. So a CA professional can have his own practice, or he can take a job, or he can start his own business. So the profile of CA people are, they can work as a credit analyst, they can work as a financial analyst, they can work as an investment advisor, data analyst, public and limited companies, they can work in a stock broking firms, investment houses, patent firms, they can go for a forensic audit, research analyst, managing treasury functions, public and private sector banks, auditing firms, finance companies, legal firms, and they can work in international taxations also. I hope you all have understood about the details of Chartered Accountancy course. If you have any query, please drop it in my comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.